Okay, so I've been losing a lot of storage space and it's been annoying because I look through all the different types of apps and it doesn't seem that there needs to be a whole lot. So this main one is my, operating system. It's my solid state drive. I do not have that much on there and yet I only have 28 gigs free. I was told to find this thing, which is called Tree Size Free, which is a free download that actually sifts through and finds your information. Click on it, download it, straight from the App Store. Bob's your uncle. You're going to want to open it and run it as an administrator. And what you can do is pick which disk you want to scan. So I'll pick that one. It's going to run through this system, tell you exactly what we have, what's been taking up all my space, and whatnot. Nice part is it'll break everything down here. Scan looks like it's done. Let's go through right off the bat and find out what's taking up all this space. So 100 gigs is users. We can go through this. Looks like my app data, 82.2 gigs of that is roaming. What is roaming, you ask? Well, roaming in app data refers as a hidden system directory used by applications to store specific settings, profiles, data that can follow a user across different computers on the same domain network. Question is, can I delete it? Because that's a shit ton of data. Well, I guess that's the good part. I can pick which ones out of this entire system to delete. So automatically, Apple, of course, Apple saves 76. It's probably an iPhone backup or something, I would imagine. Mobile sync. Well, there we go. Got to change that. Before we get to that, obviously we know that there's a lot of app data in roaming. I want to look at some other stuff like program data, 33 gigs. Would you look at that? McAfee's taking 28 gigs for a Webadvisor. A download. Are you kidding me? Let's see. Is McAfee Webadvisor needed? No, it is not. Do I really need 30 gigs of this crap on my computer? Probably not. Look at all that. Well, at that point, what I'm going to do is uninstall that and save myself 30 gigs of data. It looks like right on here, you can obviously delete it and get rid of it. I assume, because this is what I've been told, is to uninstall and then delete everything later. So that's going to be my step. But first and foremost, this is amazing to try to go through here and find everything that you need to delete all the stuff taking up your space. This didn't show it all in my storage. Let's see. Apps and features. Filter by size. And McAfee's not even there. Sneaky little buggers, huh? Let's see if it's in the other section. Nope. But yet, this little time tree found 30 gigs of useless stuff that I don't need. Or used to, what is this thing called again? Tree size. Thanks to tree size, this found 33 gigs of useless stuff that I don't need. A quick update on the hard drive. Obviously, you can see that there is a lot more open space. We now have 122 gigs of free space. As you can see, after the update, I have cleared out a lot of junk. There's now 123 gigs. I think before, what was it, like 25 gigs available? So this should help my computer run a little bit better. Not only did I get rid of the McAfee Webadvisor, but I also got rid of what looked like an Apple backup from years and years ago. But nowadays, they just do the backup to the iCloud. So what's the point in holding on to another 75 gigs of stuff that I don't need? Probably some dumb selfies of me back in my 20s when I thought I looked cool. Anyways, that's what it looks like when it's done. All the free space, the rest of your information. You can always come back here and find out what is bogging up more of your space down the road. Highly suggest. Again, tree size free. You can get it anywhere. It doesn't take much to run it. You can figure out what you want and what you don't want. The only thing I do suggest is that you decide to Google what something is before you delete it. I would never touch Windows. I would never really mess with your programs, files. That kind of runs your computer. Other than that, have fun.